Hi and welcome to another video of Total Makeover. In today's video we're gonna make a table, so let's get to it. And now we are welding these sockets for the adjustments for the table level, so that we could get our table at which level we wish. You'll see later in the video how it works. This is a tutorial on how to not weld. Stupid shit. Now I am welding the socket that I welded before to a main leg or the profile, and this is how we get our first leg, and we have to do it 4 times. Now I am welding the foots of the legs. This is the part on which the whole table will stand. As you see, it's a screw, so we can regulate it, and as I said before, you will see how it works later in the video. Now I am welding the legs to the countertop. Here we are sewing the profiles for the additional shelf for the computer and something else. Here we are grading the sharp edges of the profiles that we cut. Now we're gonna cut even more profiles. Now we're gonna weld the shelf space. As you see, we have a little chimney here. Here are some first photos of the table and the welds. As you see, we're gonna apply the sheet metal on the back of the table, and we're gonna do this by riveting. So first we gotta drill holes for the rivets, and now using the riveter we're gonna apply the rivets in the holes that we made before. And again. We made a drawer. Now we are just sorting all the items that we have in the workshop to the another drawer that we made. Let's build another drawer. Now we are routing the holes for the confirmates to go in to build the walls of the drawer. Now drilling the holes. We also gonna build another drawer. Now putting the drawers into the table. This is how it looks like. Screwing down the guides for the drawer. And bam, another drawer goes in. Now we are sort of filling up the drawers with items from our workshop and sorting it. Now we will build the back wall of the table on which the toolboard will be located. Now we're gonna grind the old welds for the new profile to be welded to it. Now the countertop that we had to this table was in two different parts, so we had to combine them together. Now we're gonna use a wooden profile to build little walls on our countertop so that no items will fall off. As you see, we have already welded the profiles of the back wall. Now we're gonna add another plank on the wall. We already have two of those, and now we are attaching the third one. Our table was a little leaned, so as you see, now we're gonna use the adjustment that we did before. I am using the wrench, I am screwing in the screw, and by that I am changing the level of the table. And now let's add some more things to our main table. Let's have a fish look on our table. And now let's organize even more. Clean the countertop. Okay, so this is how the table looks. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button with a bell so you wouldn't miss out on any new videos, and see you next time. Before you click off, make sure to watch one of these videos that show up right here.